Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this long braided ponytail with curls. So jumping straight into this video, my hair was already washed, flat ironed, all that good stuff. So it was super easy for me to catch it up into a ponytail. And I went in with gel to slick my ponytail, but I know not everybody's hair reacts good to gel. So you can also use got2b free spray. I will link a video up at the top if you don't want to use gel and you want to see how you can achieve this sleek ponytail with got2b free spray. But right now I'm just putting my hair up in a ponytail, and I'm gonna brush out any baby hairs that I want to leave out. So now I'm going in with my Clear Eco Styling Gel, and I'm just gonna place it all over my hair, except for the ends, guys, not on the ends. So just on the ponytail portion that I'm slicking up. Then I'm going to use my tail comb, and I'm just going to comb it through. That way it looks nice and slick. And then I'm going to take out my hairband and comb everything up and catch it back into a ponytail. I'll also be gelling down my baby hairs just so it has that hard hold on them. Then I'm going to go in with my wrap it up strips, and I'm going to tie down my hair. Alright, so now we're going to get into the braiding hair. I'm using pre-stretched Expressions braiding hair, and I like to go ahead and split my hair into pieces. That way it is easier for me to feed it into the braid. So that's exactly what you see me doing now. And this technique that I'm doing, I'm honestly just going to be braiding my hair and adding pieces in. If you'd like to see another way I do my feed and braid, I will leave it up, so you can click on that video. But I'm honestly just braiding my hair and feeding in the pieces as I go. So because I wanted to add in curly pieces, I stopped adding the expressions and I started adding in some curly hair when I reached to like close to my shoulder, because I still wanted my braid to be long. So the same way I'm adding in the expressions is the same way I'm adding in the curly hair. And this curly hair was pretty long, so it was able to go past the expressions braiding hair and cover it. That way the ends only had curls. So as you can see, I'm going to be adding a good amount of curly hair. This curly hair was the Free Tress Water Wave curly hair that I used. So I'm just going to continue braiding until I reach to how much hair I wanted out for the end at my ponytail. And I'm going to use a black rubber band and just tie the end. That way the curls are out. So now that that's done, I'm just going in with my scissors and I'm just trimming up some of the longer pieces of the curls. And I decided I was going to do my wrap first because I didn't leave any hair out to do the wrap. So you want to start with one end and twist it around your band until it goes underneath the band, like the smallest piece, and then you're going to take the longer piece, and continue wrapping it around. And this is to cover the band that you initially used to make your ponytail. It also gives it a better look. It looks more neat. It looks like you went to a professional to get it done, you know, all that good stuff. So I sprayed it with some got2b free spray to help stiffen it. And then I continued twisting it until it got to the bottom end, and I just tucked it underneath. Once that was done, I started stretching out the braid a bit to make it look more fuller. They call this the butterfly effect. I do have a video, so I'll place it on the screen so you can click on it if you're interested in watching that type of braid. But it's not exactly a butterfly braid, but I did go ahead and just stretch it out a bit to give it that look. Once I was done stretching it all out, this is basically how it looked. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my black wrap it up strips. I went in with my free spray and I also just did my sideburns because I knew the gel wasn't going to hold them. So I just used the free spray. But this is basically it, guys. This is how the hair is looking. I always do braided ponytails, but I've never done it with like the curls at the end, so I thought that was different. I love me a long braided ponytail, so if you know, you know. But go ahead, try it out. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. If you are interested, I have a lot more ponytail videos on my channel, so also check them out. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video if you liked how I did this ponytail. And follow me on my social media as well at nae.simone. And you can also follow my hair page at Paris Hair, and that's Paris with 2 eyes. So once again, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.